So moving into a new era, and we're calling this, the influencers, or some companies are call it brand ambassadors. But really, this is the sort of the influencer model. And approximately 75% of millennials and Generation Zs, uh, they don't really trust traditional multi-level compensation plans based on a recent survey that I've seen here, right? And I think it was one of my clients actually passed this along to me. And a lot of what we're seeing is some of the companies that have been around for a while have been moving into more of a one or two level compensation plan, which is probably quickly going to come the new standard when you're trying to go after the millennials and the Gen Zers. And this is, in our opinion, somewhere that doesn't necessarily require an expensive upfront investment or even ongoing platform cost if you have the right platform in. So let's talk, through here really what we're talking about when we talk about influencers. So we have four main components of an influencer model. If you're not familiar, so we have brand influencers. They really are your affiliates or your influencers that on your platform can create a profile that they'll use to build a buzz and gain more followers. And ideally, they're pushing that out, right? So the brand influencer is pushing out to shoppers who may or may not already know of your brand, but really they're sharing your latest products, content, photos, videos to their network of potential shoppers, right? So they're trusted in their networks, and the shoppers are hopefully, for a higher conversion rate than just seeing your brand on a search. They're going to convert a little bit higher. Your site ultimately there is where these shoppers will end up landing, whether it's connected to social or not. The shoppers can easily complete the transaction on your store. So that's a key piece there when you're bringing in the influencer model, is to make sure that your checkout is extremely straightforward and easy, that you're not going to lose people at drop-off points that are typically seen in the industry. And finally, to build that trust with your new influencers, you have the ability to track their earnings. They should be able to track referrals and control their payouts, right? And all in some simple to use, ideally mobile, optimized dashboard.